Hello students, I am Mishra. The topic of the day is different. Usually I am making videos for some interesting mathematics, some fastest mathematics, and most of the videos are related to class 11th mathematics. But today, due to a viewer compelled me to make a video on compound interest for competitive examination. There are many competitive students. So a competitive video must be there. On the request of the viewer, I have prepared this the video on compound interest. There are many such tricks in compound interest, but not possible to discuss all the tricks in one video. It's not my work from my school to make videos of this kind, but exclusively I am making this. So just see, this is my number 94314878868. In case any viewer want to contact me, they can contact on this number. So no need to compel me to make videos on each and every chapter of any class. No, sorry, I cannot do this. But this is the video for compound interest for different competitive examination. For school students, there are the four problems, first, second, third, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the problems related to the school, and the fastest higher order for the competitive examinations, the students, those who are preparing for competitive examination. Now this is the formula. This is very popular. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. T stands for time, R for rate, P for principal, A for amount. So this is the first question. A man invested this much rupees in at 10% per annum compounded annually for 3 years. Then find the compound interest, and you find the amount निकालिए और compound interest निकालिए. और ये दिया हुआ है 1000 रुपया principal, rate 10%, and time is 3 years. Simply put in this formula and get the answer of amount. Put in this formula and get the answer of compound interest, or you can do from this. This will give the fast answer of compound interest. So you can use this in place of this. Now the second question, a man invested. The case is different. This is the case of half yearly case. The students remember, half yearly case is very difficult. So just see, in case of half yearly, the usual rate is 12%, but the half yearly rate will be 12 by 2, 6%. The rate will be halved. And likewise, the time is this much year. In 1 and 1 by 2 year, there are 3 half years. So everything must be converted to half year. The rate is converted to half year by dividing by 2, and you know that in 1 and 1 by 2 years, there are 3 half years. 1.5 साल में 3 हाफ ईयर होता है. जस्ट सी 1 साल में 2 हाफ ईयर, और आधा साल में एक और हाफ ईयर, 3 हाफ ईयर. So put in this and get the answer. The same formula will answer the question. This is the single formula to answer all the question up to the class 10th below students. Now just see, this is compounded quarterly. Quarterly means this is called quarterly. So the 16% will be divided by 4. This is 4% quarter year. The rate is 4% quarterly. Now the time is 9 months for the problem. The amount is this, P is this is P, this is P. The same formula, but the rate will be divided by 4 in case of quarterly. And in 9 months there are 3 quarters. 3 quarters in 9 months. 4 quarters in 1 year, 3 quarters in 9 months, and hence the problem is over. Now this problem, this is very high order thinking problem. A man invested rupees 1000 at the rate of 12% per annum for 2 years, 9 months. So convert it to years. 2 plus 9 by 12, this is this much. Now find the amount and compound interest. Just see, this formula is difficult slightly. Now just see how will you use this formula. P into 1 plus R by 100 T. This is as usual like this. Now the extended is 1 plus R into A by B into 100. What is A by B into 100? This is called A by B in this question. This is A by B and this is T. So T and A by B both we are getting, put and get the answer. The problem is over. Now these are the fastest higher order problem. Rate is equal to A2 minus A1 by A1 into 100. This is the first question, fifth number question, exclusive for competitive examination. A sum of money in 2 years becomes this and in 3 years becomes this. Find the rate. So just see, this is A1 and this is A2. The two amounts are denoted by A2 and A1. So putting the value in this, just put A1 and A2 and get the answer. Very easily you can find the rate. Likewise the problem, a sum of money becomes this in 2 years, this in 4 years. Now this is your A1 and this is your A2. This is T1 and this is T2. Now use this formula, 1 plus R by 100, T2 minus T1 is equal to A2 by A1. So using this formula, and after that you have to simplify to find out the rate. Onward you will take a square root to find the rate. Now this seventh number, at 4% compound interest, the difference in CI and SI is rupees 8. For 2 years, find principal. This is the fastest formula to find the principal. CI minus SI into 100 by R whole to the power 2. This is true for 2 years only. So using this and get the answer. Whatever we are getting, this will be the answer. Now likewise for 3 years exclusive. For 3 years exclusive, use this formula. The problem is this. Now 31, the difference in CI and SI, 31, 100 by R, 100 by R plus 300. So simplify and get the answer. Students, it's not my job to do videos of this kind. So better to remember my WhatsApp number. In case of any confusion, you can contact me. Thank you very much. Keep and watching the videos, subscribing and sharing among all those who are the lover of mathematics and from different classes. Thank you.